welcome back to a kind of warm afternoon. It's actually been a few degrees cooler the last few days, so it's been lovely. Of course, we have our friend, the leaf blower down the hill, just decided to join us, which is one of the reasons that we usually shoot around midnight, is because it's generally a lot quieter. You don't have the airplanes and the helicopters and the cars and the leaf blowers, and so.
We still had coyotes, though.
Yeah, we just saw 4 big coyotes down there. It was pretty cool. Teddy found them. He was barking at them with his mighty board. Anyway, last week we did an awesome pour that I really loved, Silk, which was the pearl blue and the pearl green on that really dark obsidian-ish background, and it was beautiful. And I kind of want to use those colors again, but in a different application. I mentioned in that video a pour I did called Eyelashes, which was a lot of fun, which was 2 wandering ring pours using the golf ball. And last weekend my friend Nate Bright from Nate Bright Art had his art lab collab, and their challenge was to use a golf ball. So it was really fun and really pretty, and I was kind of inspired to try to do that Eyelashes pour one more time, maybe a little bit differently. So we're going to try that tonight. Should be a lot of fun. This is a 24 by 30 inch gallery wrap canvas. I have taped and pinned the back, and I painted my sides and edges with the base coat color. Let me show you the colors because they are so pretty. This one is the base coat color. This is that same base coat that we used in Silk, that gorgeous blue violet with the permanent, with the Prussian blue, and then a little bit of the obsidian from Deco Art. And I've done that again tonight. So we have this in the pour, and then we're also using it as our base coat color. We have one of our Amsterdam pearls. This one is pearl blue, which is probably my favorite in terms of how it dries. I love that electric blue pop. Is so cool. So that's the pearl blue. We also have Amsterdam greenish blue, which is one of my favorites. Very much like Golden's turquoise phthalo. Okay. And then we are also using the rest of the pearl green, also from Amsterdam. Okay, and then this one is Febio Studios iridescent greenish blue with a little bit of sky blue light. Yeah. So this is these two mixed up. I wanted this, but I wanted to lighten it up a little bit, so I added a little bit of this, and it got too light, so then I added more of that, and then I had to strain it. It was this whole process. Anyway, it's a pretty color and slightly metallic. So I think this is going to be a really pretty palette with this pour. So, okay, let's get started. We're going to layer 2 7-ounce cups, and then we're going to pour them in wandering ring pours in opposite directions, and hopefully it's going to be awesome. So let's start. We're going to start with a little bit of the base coat color in each of them, and we're going to end with the base coat color too. I'm going to do some pearl blue now. And some of the greenish blue. And then some of the pearl green. And you'll notice that I have the darker colors on either side of the pearls intentionally. This is the lightest one, but still contrasting. You always want to layer your cup with contrast, light, dark, light, dark, light, dark. That's what your eye responds to. I'm going to go back to the base coat color. And we're going to do that again. Blue. Greenish blue. Pearl green. And maybe we'll skip the sky blue, and we're going to go back to this base coat color. They're going to be really full. That's nothing new for me.
Yeah, so what else is new?
Okay. We have here a big, huge tub of that darker purpley obsidian color that I really like. We're going to pour this kind of over here. I'm going to torch that. So we're going to pour one going this direction, then we're going to turn the canvas around and pour one going that direction again, so they're going opposite. Okay. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, my love.
Okay. Here we go. We're going to do a wandering ring pour across that. This is awesome. I love this. Okay, perfect. So we're going to turn this around now. We're going to do that starting over here, and we're going to go that way. And I want to leave a little tiny bit of space in between them, but not a lot. Okay. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Aye, lass. Yes, I am. All in the mail, darling.
Okay. No time to waste. We got a football game to go to. Big shout out to Taft High School and the marching band and our awesome daughter Tatiana. So, okay, let's look at this for a second. This is perfect. This is perfect. I love the contrast. I love that there's a little bit of space in between. That's going to be really cool. And I like that there's enough negative space around it. We're going to put a little bit more flow extender on there. Mostly on the corners and edges. Okay, now let's stretch this out just a little bit, and then we're going to do the marble through it once it's kind of alrighty. Let's find the way to the paint. This down. You still want to leave negative space on there if possible. Maybe, maybe not. Right here, because I want this to move. Makes it easy. Just barely go over that edge. And that was too much. still want to use the golf ball. I'm going to put it right on this edge here. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, my love. Just we.
Nice and gentle.
Control is amazing.
Thank you.
I've tried that before. It's hard.
That's really cool. I love that. There's only one more place I want to do that. Actually, it might be up there too. But I kind of want to go through this puffy line. Me? We should do it along this edge,
Which edge?
this top edge of where the color is.
Yeah.
It's skinny. Okay. Ready? That's cool.
The golf ball itself looks really cool.
Yeah, the golf ball does look really cool. I love it. Okay. I like that. I like it a lot. I love that there's negative space in there. I love that we used the golf ball through there in a couple of different places. I love that dark base coat. I love that we have the pearls in there. So everything that looks white is either green or pearl blue. And yeah, this is cool. I am excited about this one. I will show you guys when it is dry. We'll be right back. I just need to fix this. Okay, here we are a couple of days later. This one is totally dry now. This was our Eyelashes inspired wandering ring pour with the golf ball going through it and a lot more negative space than in the original. This one turned out really, really pretty. HOA, can you give us a tilt? There we go. Woo, that's so cool. So this one had the Amsterdam Pearl Blue and the Amsterdam Pearl Green, which created this gorgeous, very ghosty effect. And then we also used the Pebeo iridescent green blue with a little bit of sky blue light that gave us this lighter tone that's really popping out in here. Very, very pretty. I wish we'd kept more of that because it looked really cool. It sounds like we have a dog swimming, which I will show you in just a minute. HOA, can you tilt it for us one more time? Whee! Bling, bling. Very cool. So this one's awesome. I really like the introduction of more negative space into the pour, and I think that was cool, and I think that's something that you guys could explore also, is adding a little bit more of your base coat color to create more negative space while you're tilting. So this one came out awesome. I actually kind of see like a Seahorse daddy. It's kind of funny. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being here. Hours every day. Go get it! It's really funny when he tries to bark with the ball in his mouth. What a good boy you are! Thanks for being here, everybody. We'll see you guys real soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.